President William Ruto niwatetea vanene itambya ya Nthi ya Kenya kwitikila Nthi ya Amerika yake Kisese cha kuthinikia awau ma Ebola ma Amerika alame Nthi ya Congo aiweta kana itambya hii ni kati wa ngwatanio ya ivinda yasa kati wa Nthi ya Kenya na US sekta ni kivathukanio yivo ya uiti ainena na isese cia mauvo cia lembeta ya Northeastern utukuni wa kwamukea umuthi. President William Ruto no wetie Kisese ki na kila kivaniwe Kwakwa Kisese ni kinene chaita cha Laikipia Airbase kisione cha Nanyuki kielelo chacho kinene ni kwiyumbania kukitana na Ebola ondoivika Nthi ya Kenya mulai mulinge na mauvuo.
Nene yake kalona nikimao mavoka untini ya wajia President William Ruto no wetia kalandini levo ni kwa kauntini Laikipia nikatoa mivango medhiano ya kuesovya na kuisasa ya kumana na uo wa Ebola. Iweta ini mwakati wetu ingi miongole nitetu lasi kwa kaisione kifadho kwa nyo siya Nthi ya Kenya.
What the American government is doing is to work with us in partnership to build the capacity to make sure that if ever we needed a facility, that facility will be there to serve the people of Kenya and to serve our friends, including the Americans. And let me say this, for the avoidance of any doubt. This is not the first time we are doing such a facility with partners. During COVID, we built a whole facility.
President Ruto ithingilila ituona mivango taivi ndani ya voti na yetheto ya utete taivi nda wa COVID-19.
I can assure the people of Kenya that the agreement between the government of Kenya and the American government is for the good of our country and for the partnership that friends like the American government have demonstrated to us over time. They have deployed huge resources. They've given us a grant of close to 200 billion Kenya shillings to support the building of our health infrastructure. They've done it before. It's not the first time. They're doing it again because that is the nature of international solidarity. That's the nature of friendship and partnership with people whom you share common values like the way we do with the American people.
Balanda eni yenda kifadho kwa kulicha siasa maundone ta ama uti President William Ruto uende kutala nyamelati kifadho kwa maendeleo vane kisione kicha wajia Northeastern na Kenya ni mam.
I am wondering why anybody would want to politicize, to mobilize negative politics on a matter so serious as a pandemic. You know, we are a responsible government. We know what we are doing. So people should relax. You know, politicians should avoid reckless, unnecessary talk that doesn't mean anything. I am very confident about what we are doing as a country.
Delivotia Mutongo TV, Yeneto Mulei, Mulingam.